is going to be this fun green duochrome makeup tutorial look. I hope you guys do like it. If you guys do want to see how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is tobinmua, and as you can tell, I already have my face makeup done. That is because I didn't want this video to be too terribly long, but I wanted to do just my eyes today for you guys because I've done my face on camera before. You guys know the products I use. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do my eyes and my lips today for you guys. So if you guys like that type of style and that type of like filming, then let me know if you guys want to see more of that, where it's just my eyes and I'm not doing like my face makeup and my eye makeup. So yeah. But today I'm going to be doing a look using the 35V palette from Morphe. I'm probably going to stick with these shades on this side. Today I have a look in mind that I want to do. I want to do something like deep and sultry and like really pretty. So I think I'm going to go in with that palette and that side today. I'm going to dip into a little bit of brown just to have a transition shade. But other than that, I'm going to stick with that side. So let's just get started. I am going to start with like a light transition shade, just so we have something to blend. Now that we have this transition shade down, I'm going to go in with a little bit of this like seafoam green shade. I'm going to apply that in my crease. So I don't know where it stopped at, but you just want to keep blending and buffing pretty much. And what that transition shade is going to do is it's going to help you blend your crease shade and the transition shade together so it looks really seamlessly blended. So far so good. Okay, so now that we have that down, I'm going to go in with the star of the show. I'm actually just going to be packing on this shadow. I'm not going to cut my crease. I'm not going to do anything like that. I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. And let me just swatch it for you. This is what it looks like. It's like a blue-brown shade. It's so pretty. And that's what it looks like on the back of my hand. So pretty. So I'm going to place that all over my lid. Just going to be using a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to pack that. Actually, I think I might put in a little bit of black just to deepen up the crease. This look is so simple and easy. So I'm going to go in and dip in with a little bit of the black shade and place that in the crease. So now I'm going to do the lower lash line. For that, I'm going to take the black. First I'm going to line my waterline. I'm going to take a little bit of the black, and then on the lower lash line. And I'm going to go in with that green shade and just really buff that out. Okay, so eyes are done, and now on to lashes. And for lashes today, I'm going to be using my Dodo lashes in the style 501, and these are what they look like. They are super fluffy. I absolutely love these lashes so much. They are really, really nice. I'm going to be using these lashes today. I'm going to pop these lashes on, and I'll be right back to finish off with the lips. Okay, so I have my lashes on, and I popped in my contacts from the brand ISO Poppin' on Instagram. And now let's go on to the last step, which is lips. So for lips, I'm going to be using the Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick in Bare All from Gerard Cosmetics. And this shade is so pretty. Let me swatch it for you guys. Such a pretty nude right here. So I'm going to do that with this is the Sugar and Spice lip liner from Gerard as well. And on top of that, I'm going to be using the lip gloss from NYX Cosmetics in the shade Madeline. So let's get to the lips. As you can see, look how little this is. I absolutely love this lip liner. It's my favorite lip liner from Gerard Cosmetics. So now on to the liquid lipstick. Ooh, this is looking so good. So now on to the gloss, and like I said, I'm using the lip gloss from NYX Cosmetics in the shade Madeline. I've recently been so obsessed with using glosses. I used to not be a gloss person, and the NYX glosses are actually really good. And once you are done with your lips, this is the finished look. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun makeup tutorial. This was such an easy, quick makeup tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next on my channel, and subscribe, as well as hit the bell right next to it so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.